Yes, sir! Oh, what's going on, everybody? It's Cuddy, man. We back with another video, another bangery. Uno, a dos, a tres. Alright, so we got 3 packages. Without further ado, we got 3 today. So let's get it. Yeah, bitch. And we'll go with this one first. From Nike. This package comes from Nike. They took off the stupid Nike tape because that was retarded. Like, why would you put Nike tape on a box so everyone can steal your shoes? Boom. You guys see it. Red and white Nike Jordan 1 box. Ooh, and it's crispy too. It got like a little feel to it. And this is the white University red and black. Take the top off. Boom! You got the Heritage Air Jordan 1s. Quality on these is actually fire. You got the nice tumbled leather right there on the collar, as well as on the heel. Tumbled leather on the toe box right there. In my opinion, these are a clean Air Jordan 1 to rock. I don't know how you guys like the Fragment Travis with the blue, white, same color blocking, but you guys don't like these. Red, white, and black. I don't know. You might be a hype beast. Hello? Next up, we got another package right here. Oh, upside down. This one comes from Bows and Arrows, Berkeley. Shout out Bows and Arrows. Fuck with my dogs. If you guys don't know what Bows and Arrows is, it is a clothing / retail shoe store in Berkeley, California. You had to sign up for a raffle to get in. So boom, man. First Travis Scott release. And I got 2 pair. 2 on. So boom, right here you got the Cactus Corporation shoebox. This one is the Air Trainer 1 in the light chocolate and rust pink colorway. Baby, cactus paper. 2 pair. Ooh, fire! Got the Cactus Corporation on the back. Extra laces. The toe box cover right here. I don't know what they want to call this. Oh, it snaps off. Oh! Snap on, snap off, man. Oh, snaps! And there's actually a pocket in the tongue that you can store these. I didn't know that these came with a pocket at the tongue, a zipper pocket, kind of like the Grateful Dead's. Or you could probably unzip the back. I don't know what this does. What does this do? The back unzips, but I don't know if you can really put anything in there. I think that's for decoration. Whole cover comes off. Take it off like that. Boom. You got the backwards swoosh right there. It is leather. Nice little leather hit. Nice little detail. Forward, backward. Fire! Next. Pussy on me like hood. Pussy on me like hood. Hair is looking crazy right now, man. I need to go get my hair braided. But man, you see the Travis Fragment shirt, man. I had to put it on for the little boxing today. Alright, and last but not least, this one also comes from Bows and Arrows. Shout out to Bows and Arrows for the 2-piece dub on the Travis's. Fuck with you. Yeah. Cactus Jack on the corner. And these are the Nike Air Max 1 CJ Saturn Gold Tea Tree Mist Tent or Saturn. Wow. What a name for the colors. Last pair, let's get into it. Ooh, Travis Scott Air Max 1 Saturns. Very, very clean. Backward swoosh. Let's check out the other pair. Get off me. You got the Cactus Corporation on the bottom. Good materials on the top. You got a nice like Swedish nubuck with a mesh. Looks like it's weatherproof. Fire. Alright, so boom, that is it for the shoe unboxing. All of these pairs I copped for retail. Air Jordan 1 Heritage, Cactus Jack Air Max Saturns, as well as the Cactus Jack Air Trainer 1 in the chocolate colorway. Super fire. If you guys are interested in these, make sure you keep up with Liddy Thrifts on Instagram and my page, Cuddy Justin. I'll leave the links down below. Go check that out. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hello!